Okay, so, you've been sending me all these TikTok videos about chia seed water and weight loss.
Yeah.
Some people are calling it a miracle.
Yeah.
Others say it's all hype.
Yeah.
We've got a stack of articles and research here, so let's dive in and see what the science actually says.
Yeah, it's interesting how chia seeds have gone from those quirky chia pets
Oh, totally.
to a supposed weight loss solution.
Right. Like, can something that simple really work? We'll figure that out.
Yeah.
First, for those who haven't been sucked into TikTok's algorithm,
Right.
what is this chia seed water craze all about?
Well, it's all over social media with influencers like at Happy and Healthy Olivia
Oh, yeah.
racking up millions of views
Yeah.
showing how to make it.
Yeah.
The basic idea is that you drink this chia seed water about 30 minutes before meals, and the gel-like texture from the seeds expanding is supposed to make you feel full.
The gel thing is interesting, but I'm a little skeptical.
Yeah.
Is it really enough to make a difference in how much someone actually eats?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
I think so.
To understand that, we need to look at chia seeds themselves.
Okay.
Nutritionally, they've got a lot going for them. Almost 10 grams of fiber per serving, plus protein, omega-3s, and they're relatively low in calories.
Okay, so that fiber content is impressive.
Yeah,
We know fiber is important for feeling full, and protein plays a role too.
right. Exactly.
So at first glance, it seems like chia seeds could be a good fit for someone trying to manage their weight.
Exactly, but here's where it gets a bit more complicated.
Okay?
The research specifically on chia seeds for weight loss
Yeah.
isn't totally clear-cut.
So it's not a guaranteed slam dunk.
Right. There have been studies with promising results.
Okay.
For example, one study found chia flour was effective for weight loss in people who had obesity, but not for everyone.
Interesting.
Another study showed people with type 2 diabetes who included chia seeds lost more weight and inches around their waist.
That study about obesity is key because it suggests that chia might be more helpful for some individuals than others. But it sounds like we need more research to know for sure.
Absolutely. And it's important to remember that even with those positive findings, chia seeds aren't a magic solution.
Right.
They should be part of a broader strategy that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise.
Right. They're a tool in the toolbox, not the whole toolbox.
Exactly.
But what really makes chia seeds stand out is the overall nutritional value they bring to the table.
Yeah.
It's not just about weight loss, is it?
Not at all.
Yeah.
We've got the fiber and protein, but chia seeds are also packed with antioxidants.
Okay.
Those help fight cell damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
Okay, so they're like little bodyguards for our cells.
Exactly.
What else?
They're also great for bone health,
Okay.
calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. All the building blocks for strong bones are in these tiny seeds.
Wow. Impressive. Anything else? I
Yeah.
feel like there has to be more.
There's more.
Okay.
We can't forget the heart-healthy omega-3s, which are good for blood pressure and cholesterol levels. And all that fiber in chia seeds helps regulate blood sugar, which is beneficial for everyone, but especially important for people with diabetes.
It's amazing how much is packed into a single seed.
It is.
It really does challenge the idea that you need supplements to get everything your body needs.
Yeah, it really does.
But like with anything, moderation is key.
Right.
Even though chia seeds are good for you, going overboard could backfire.
Exactly. Excess fiber can lead to some digestive issues like bloating and gas.
Oh, yeah.
So it's about finding the right amount for you.
Good advice. Okay, so we've got the rundown on chia seeds themselves, but let's circle back to the chia seed water trend.
Okay.
It can help you feel full, but we also know it's not a magic bullet.
Yeah.
What else should we be aware of?
Well, just like with eating too many chia seeds, drinking too much chia seed water can lead to digestive issues. So moderation is key, just like with anything else.
Right.
And we need to remember chia seed water is just one way to use chia seeds. It's not the be-all and end-all.
Okay. And to be honest, it's not even the most exciting way to enjoy them.
Right.
Chia seeds are incredibly versatile, and there are so many other delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet.
Absolutely.
Okay, tell me more. What are some of your favorite ways to use chia seeds?
Chia pudding is a classic for a reason. It's easy to make it on. You can customize it with endless flavors.
Yeah.
And it's a great option for breakfast or a healthy snack.
Oh, I love chia pudding.
Yeah.
I've made it with almond milk and berries,
Oh.
but I'm always looking for new flavor combinations.
Well, one of the articles we have here suggests peanut butter and mashed strawberry. That sounds pretty delicious, right?
Oh yeah, that's a great combination.
Yeah.
And for something more tropical, coconut milk and mango is always a winner.
Right. You can also go the chocolate route with cocoa powder and banana.
See, this is why I love chia seeds. So many options.
Right.
And it's not just about pudding, is it?
Nope, not all. Chia seeds are great in smoothies.
Oh, yeah.
They add a nice thickness and boost the nutritional value.
You know, you mentioned those Aztec warriors earlier
Mm-hmm.
and how they used chia seeds for sustained energy.
Right.
It's amazing how that connects to what we know about chia's nutrients today.
It is.
That mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats could provide sustained energy release, which is exactly what we need in our busy lives.
Right.
It's fascinating, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It makes you wonder if they were onto something.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good reminder that food could be both nourishing and historically significant.
Exactly. And beyond smoothies and puddings, you can sprinkle chia seeds on salads, add them to yogurt or oatmeal.
Yeah.
Even bake with them.
I've even heard of people using them as an egg replacement in baking.
That's right. There's so many possibilities. They even work in savory dishes.
Okay.
You can mix them into burger patties, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to soups for extra texture and nutrition.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We've talked about the chia seed water trend,
Mm-hmm.
the science behind chia seeds and weight loss,
Mm-hmm.
and all the amazing ways to enjoy them. What are some of your key takeaways from all of this?
Well, I think the most important thing is that chia seeds are more than just a trendy health food.
Right.
They have a long history of use,
Yeah.
and they offer a wide range of potential benefits. They're a valuable addition to any diet.
I agree.
Yeah.
And while the research on their weight loss benefits is still emerging,
Mm-hmm.
we can't deny their incredible nutritional value.
Mm.
Those antioxidants, the fiber, the omega-3s, it's like they're packed with goodness.
They really are. But even with all the positives, it's crucial to remember that they're not a magic bullet for any specific health concern.
Right. They're a piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture.
Exactly. And as with anything, moderation is key.
Right.
Start slowly, especially if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, and listen to your body.
It all comes back to balance, doesn't it?
It really does.
And being mindful of how our bodies respond to different foods.
Absolutely.
I think that's a great takeaway for our listeners.
Yeah.
Don't get caught up in the hype. Whether it's on TikTok or anywhere else,
Mm-hmm.
do your research, consider the science.
Yeah.
And most importantly, pay attention to how your body feels.
I couldn't agree more. It's so easy to get swept up in the latest trends, but it's crucial to remember that everyone is different. What works for one person might not work for another.
And that's where experimentation comes in. We've talked about all these different ways to enjoy chia seeds.
Right.
From chia seed water, to pudding, to smoothies, to salads. There's really something for everyone.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and find what you enjoy most.
I think this deep dive has given our listener a lot to think about.
Yeah.
Chia seeds aren't just a passing fad. They're a nutrient-rich food with a rich history and a lot of potential benefits.
They really are. And while we don't have all the answers yet, especially when it comes to weight loss, there's enough evidence to suggest that they can be a valuable part of a healthy lifestyle.
So to wrap things up, what's the one message you want our listener to walk away with today?
I would say don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Explore the different ways to enjoy them, experiment, listen to your body, and see how they fit into your own journey towards better health and well-being.
Beautifully said. I think that's a perfect note to end on. So until next time, happy experimenting.